Hi guys, Captain Ben Beecher here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Today, we're on an all-new 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner. Walking over to the back of the boat here. So we have a nice deep swim ladder, 24-inch wide grab handles, and a 300 horsepower Mercury. Around the Mercury motor here, you see this nice tall ski pylon. You can hook your skis up to that, ski line up to it. Back here, you're going to have two speakers aft of the boat, so you can listen to music while you're behind the boat. Underneath this seat, you have the drainable storage, also insulated. Up here as well, it's a cooler. And plenty of storage that goes forward underneath this seat. This is a single lounger dual helm, so you have this swing back here. Push this over. Now you have a rear-facing lounger, or lay it flat into a sunbed. Back into seat mode to a nice bench seat facing forward. Also, you have a co-captain's chair with bolster, reclinable drop-down armrest. Same with the captain's chair. Here at the helm, upgraded steering wheel. You have the upgraded JL system on here with speakers, amp, and subwoofer, and a 9-inch Simrad glass dash with wireless charging capability for your phone. Okay, this one comes with the ottoman here. It says movable, move it around wherever you want. This one doubles up as a cooler as well. And a lot of storage underneath all these seats. Of course, fold down armrests. Lastly, this boat has 3 large entrances or exits right in the front of the boat there. Side entry and the rear entry. Once again, Ben Beecher, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through this 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner. Thanks. Have a great day.